Here's a quick bubble tip for anyone building a bubble app where they're having to work with time zones. In fact, this is a must. Working with time zones used to be a real headache with Bubble, and it still is, but this will make your life a lot easier. And that is by going into settings, general, and then making sure you've got these boxes ticked here. Enable time zone override controls, date time inputs, page backend workflows. And I'll just give you one example of how this can really help out. If I go into design and I get the date time picker and I add it to the page, I can now select where the time zone comes from. It can be current page's time zone, which I can then set on the page, and that's set to user's current time zone. This is what Bubble detects from the user's browser and determines the time zone. But you could have pick a time zone based on a static choice, or what else can we do here? Time zone, you can have dynamic choice for the date time picker here. So you could have a field on current user where you store the time zone. And so you could let the current user set their own time zone, and then wherever they are in their Bubble app, even if they move from country to country, the time zone will be the time zone they set in your settings panel that you create for them as a user, compared to it being dynamically automatically filled out by the browser each time. So that's my quick top tip for working with time zones. And if you're looking for more tips, more advice, more help for building apps with Bubble and launching your app and your SaaS products, then you need to head to our website, planetnocode.com, because we've got hundreds of Bubble tutorial videos just for you from beginner all the way through to advanced, that I would class this as advanced time zone tips. If you've got any questions about working with time zones, please do leave a comment down below.